Hi, Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to make bulk edits to a fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is one of our fillable PDFs. This is the same view if you're using a Mac or a Windows machine. Adobe Acrobat Pro, it's a subscription plan. There's a link in the show notes and you can learn more about that. But anyways, I've opened this up in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and what I need to do is to select the prepare form tool here. If you do not see this toolbar on the right side, go to view, tools, and then take a look at prepare form and open that up. So you can see all of the fillable fields have been identified here, and basically what I want to do is I want to make a couple tweaks to every single one of these fields, and instead of doing it one by one, I'm just going to do everything at once. All you need to do is select all of the fields. Now you could do this kind of drag across and pick all of them, but maybe you might miss a few at the bottom. So what I usually do is I either do, in Windows it would be Control A, in Mac it would be Command A to select all of them. You see that they turn blue. Another thing you can do is in this kind of this view on the side where it shows the fields, select page and then do the same thing. Control A in Windows, Command A in Mac, and you'll get all of them. The next thing you need to do is just hover over any one of them, right click over it and select properties. And you'll come to this particular, the selection of options that you have. So the one that it opens up on is text field properties. So if I wanted to, I could change the font size for all of these from like 10 to 12. What I need to do actually is to change the options, including the check spelling. I'm going to deselect that, so when people are using this form, it won't show underlined words for words that look funny. And the reason I'm doing this is because in this particular form there's lots of names. So names, of course, always trigger the check spelling function. The other thing I don't want is scroll long text, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I've done that. I'm just going to close it. Make sure that you save it. So in a Mac, Command S, in Windows it would be Control S, or you can go to the top there to File and select Save. And basically we're all done. This is all set. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also if you go to In 30 Minutes Guides, you can learn more all about the different guides and the different videos that we have for mildly complex topics. Thank you so much for watching.